Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best FastCap is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can add to your workshop or toolbox, offering a simple yet incredibly effective solution for managing and organizing cables, cords, and other small items that tend to clutter up your workspace and life. Whether you're a professional electrician, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone trying to keep your home tidy, this ingenious little gadget can make a world of difference in maintaining order and efficiency, preventing tangles and saving you precious time searching for the right cable. Number 5. Mission Cooling Performance Hat. Introducing the Mission Cooling Performance Hat, designed to keep you comfortable no matter the activity. Its advanced cooling technology activates with water, providing instant relief. Enjoy a perfect, personalized fit with its unstructured and low-profile design. The adjustable strap ensures it stays put during your most intense moments. With UPF 50 protection, this hat shields you from harmful UV rays. Feel confident and protected during all your outdoor adventures. Whether you're running, working out, or simply enjoying the outdoors, this hat is engineered for peak performance. It's lightweight and breathable for maximum comfort. Don't let the heat slow you down. This versatile hat is your go-to accessory for staying cool and protected in any situation. What we like. This hat offers advanced cooling technology to keep you comfortable during intense activities. Its UPF 50 protection shields you from harmful sun rays. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, runner, or athlete who needs to stay cool and protected, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The FastCap is a game changer for anyone working with lumber. Its innovative design allows for quick and accurate measurements, saving valuable time on the job. I was impressed by the durability of the FastCap. It's made from high-quality materials that can withstand tough working conditions, making it a reliable tool for professionals and DIYers alike. The FastCap's versatility is another major selling point. It can be used for a variety of tasks, from marking cut lines to checking angles, making it an indispensable tool in any workshop. Number 4. FastCap ProCarpenter Standard Reverse Measuring Tape, 16 foot. This measuring tape offers dual reading capability. You can easily read standard measurements whether you extend it from your right or left hand. Achieve accuracy on every project with its easy read fractions down to 1/16 of an inch. It ensures precise measurements every time. Never be without a sharp pencil again. It features a built-in sharpener to keep your marking tools ready for immediate use. Built to last, its protective rubber boot shields it from drops and daily wear. This ensures it can handle the demands of any job site. Record measurements and notes directly on the tape measure with its erasable notepad. This feature makes jotting down important details incredibly convenient. The professional-grade blade is 1 inch wide and features a 4-rivet nose clip. It's designed to withstand the wear and tear of daily professional use. Its compact design includes an ergonomic belt clip for easy carrying. You can access it quickly during your work. What we like. This measuring tape features dual reading capability, allowing for easy measurement from either side. It also includes a built-in pencil sharpener and an erasable notepad for convenience. If you are a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast who values precision and efficiency on the job, this tape measure will be your new best friend. What people say. The FastCap is a game changer for anyone who needs to quickly and accurately measure and cut materials. Its innovative design allows for one-handed operation, freeing up your other hand to hold the material in place. The built-in level ensures your cuts are always straight, and the integrated pencil sharpener means you'll never be caught without a writing utensil. I was skeptical at first, but the FastCap exceeded all my expectations. The accuracy is incredible, and the ease of use is unparalleled. It has significantly reduced my project completion time and improved the overall quality of my work. The durable construction also gives me confidence that it will last for years to come. Number 3. FastCap Adhesive Cover Caps, White. Tired of unsightly screws? These adhesive caps are the perfect solution for a clean finish. Achieve a seamless look with our white caps. They are designed to perfectly match your surfaces. Applying them is a breeze. Just peel and stick for instant coverage. Made from quality PVC, these caps offer a durable and long-lasting solution. These 9/16-inch caps effectively conceal screw heads, enhancing the overall appearance of your project. Get a professional, polished look with minimal effort. They provide a clean finish every time. What we like. These adhesive caps provide a clean, finished look by covering exposed screw heads. They are easy to apply and come in a white PVC material for a seamless match. If you're looking for a simple way to enhance the appearance of your projects and achieve a professional finish, these caps are an excellent solution. What people say. The FastCap is a game changer for anyone who needs to quickly and accurately measure and mark cut lines on lumber. Its innovative design allows for one-handed operation, freeing up your other hand to hold the material in place. The built-in pencil sharpener and storage compartment for extra pencils are also incredibly convenient features. I was skeptical at first, but the FastCap has exceeded my expectations. The accuracy of the measurements is spot on, and the ease of use is unparalleled. It's made my woodworking projects so much more efficient and enjoyable. The durable construction ensures it will last for years to come. Number 2. FastCap 2P10 SoloKit Woodworking Glue Kit. Introducing the FastCap 2P10 SoloKit, your all-in-one solution for instant bonding. This professional woodworking glue kit provides everything you need to get started right away. Inside, you'll find a 12-ounce activator and a 2 ounces thick adhesive. This combination ensures you have all the necessary components for immediate and reliable adhesion. Experience incredible speed with its fast bonding power. It bonds in just 10 seconds and achieves a remarkable 4000 psi strength in only 30 seconds when used with the activator. The thick viscosity adhesive is perfect for challenging applications. It's ideal for filling gaps, working on vertical surfaces, and bonding porous materials without any messy drips. This product is trusted by professionals like contractors, cabinet makers, and woodworkers. Rely on it for permanent, high-strength bonds that stand a test of time. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of projects. It works effectively on plastic, wood, and various other materials for both household repairs and professional endeavors. What we like. This adhesive set offers instant bonding power, setting in seconds and curing to high strength quickly. The thick viscosity is ideal for gap filling and vertical applications. If you are a woodworker, contractor, or DIYer who needs a reliable and fast-acting glue for demanding projects, this kit delivers professional-grade results. What people say. The FastCap is a game-changer for anyone who needs to quickly and accurately measure and cut materials. Its innovative design allows for one-handed operation, freeing up your other hand to hold the material in place. The built-in level ensures that your cuts are always straight and true, saving you time and frustration. I was skeptical at first, but the FastCap exceeded my expectations. The laser guide is incredibly precise, making it easy to achieve perfect cuts every time. It's also very durable and feels solid in your hand, which gives you confidence when using it. Number 1. FastCap 3 Upper Third Hand Support Pole System. Meet the innovative third hand support pole system, designed to make your installation projects easier. This system provides reliable support exactly where you need it. With an adjustable range from 28 to 60 inches, it offers versatile support for various applications. Achieve the perfect fit for any job. Featuring textured rubber pads, it ensures a firm and secure grip on surfaces. You can trust it to hold your materials in place without slipping. The quick-release lever allows for fast and easy adjustments and removal. Save time and effort on your installations. Developed by experienced cabinet makers, this tool is built to meet the demands of professional use. It's the reliable solution you've been looking for. Perfect for supporting cabinets during installation, it frees up your hands and ensures precise placement. Get the job done efficiently and accurately. What we like. This support pole system is specifically designed to assist with cabinet installation, providing stable support. It features adjustable height and textured grip pads for secure placement. If you are a cabinet maker or installer who needs an extra hand to hold cabinets steady during mounting, this system will make your job significantly easier and safer. What people say. The FastCap is a game changer for anyone who needs to measure and cut accurately. Its built-in measuring tape and pencil holder make it incredibly convenient to use. I love how the FastCap's adjustable clamp securely holds the board in place, preventing any slippage during cuts. This ensures a clean and precise finish every time. The lightweight and durable design of the FastCap makes it easy to carry around and use on various job sites. It's a tool that's built to last. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.